Do you need an account to use RingCentral? Imagine you're sitting at your desk, ready to start your workday. Your phone rings and it's a potential client. You need to quickly and easily communicate with them, but you don't have your office phone handy. What do? Do you scramble to find your office phone? Or is there a better way? In today's fast-paced business world, having a reliable and efficient communication system is essential. That's where RingCentral comes in. It's a cloud-based communication platform that offers a variety of features, including voice calls, video conferencing, and messaging. Main question. But here's the question. Do you need an account to use RingCentral? Answer. The short answer is no. RingCentral offers a free calling feature that allows you to make and receive calls without creating an account. This is a great option for people who only need to make occasional calls or don't want to commit to a full-fledged account. Exploring the free calling feature. Let's take a closer look at what you can do with the free calling feature. You can make and receive calls from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. You can also use the RingCentral app to manage your calls and contacts. While the free calling feature is a great option for basic needs, it has some limitations. For example, you can't make international calls or use advanced features like voicemail and call forwarding. Benefits of a RingCentral account. If you need more advanced features or want to use RingCentral for your business, you'll need to create an account. Here are some of the benefits of having a RingCentral account. Advanced features. You'll have access to features like voicemail, call forwarding, call recording, and more. Business phone system. You can use RingCentral as your business phone system with features like auto attendance, call queues, and call routing. Integration with other apps. RingCentral integrates with popular business apps like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. Mobile app. You can use the RingCentral app to manage your calls, messages, and contacts from your smartphone. Choosing the right plan. RingCentral offers a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. If you're just starting out, you may want to consider the Essentials plan, which includes basic features like voice calling, messaging, and video conferencing. For businesses with more advanced needs, the Premium or Ultimate plan may be a better option. So, do you need an account to use RingCentral? The answer is no, but if you need more advanced features or want to use RingCentral for your business, creating an account is definitely worth considering. With RingCentral, you can stay connected with your clients and colleagues, no matter where you are. So, what are you waiting for? Give RingCentral a try today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.